Welcome to XRP News Channel. Bitcoin's 2025 dominance cracks, XRP, top 5 rally in 2025. Shiba Inu, SHIB key breakthrough in process? Cryptocurrency market sees real recovery chance as multiple assets start moving forward despite a slight decline. Bitcoin is still trading close to the upper end of its 2025 trading range at about $116,600. With a price significantly above the 50-day EMA, $114,000. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. And 200-day EMA, $101,300, the asset still exhibits structural strength. But current market conditions indicate that Bitcoin's hegemony is starting to wane. Several popular altcoins have experienced bigger rallies than Bitcoin in recent weeks. Certain assets like Shiba Inu have demonstrated renewed strength, while others like XRP have experienced explosive double-digit daily gains. The relative dominance of Bitcoin on the larger cryptocurrency market is being weakened by this divergence, which shows that capital is shifting from Bitcoin into specific altcoins. Technically speaking, Bitcoin is presently trading in a clearly defined range between the support at $113,300 and the resistance at $121,500. Since mid-July, there have been several rejections, making it challenging to breach the upper bound of the range. Although Bitcoin has recovered from its 50-day EMA support, the momentum is still low in comparison to some other altcoin spikes. The ramifications for investors are dual. As long as Bitcoin maintains support above $113,000, there is a high chance that it will retest the $121,500 level, indicating that it still has structural bullishness. The uptrend from early 2025 is still in place. The momentum behind altcoins is increasing. The declining dominance indicates that high beta altcoins, not Bitcoin, may be the next to make aggressive moves. The next target, which is close to $125,000, could regain some of its lost dominance if Bitcoin can firmly break above $121,500. A deeper retracement toward $108,800, however, might occur if the price fails to hold above $113,000. Shiba Inu gets ready following a period of consistent recovery from its July lows. Shiba Inu is coming closer to a breakout, indicating steady buying interest at higher lows. The price has been gradually forming an ascending trend line. SHIB is currently trading close to $0.401,286, sandwiched between the 50-day EMA and 100-day EMA, a zone that frequently serves as a short-term decision point for market direction. Together with strong buying volume, SHIB recently recovered from the $0.401,180 region, moving back into the middle of its current structure. It would be the first significant move in weeks if the 100 EMA, $0.401,323, were decisively closed above. This could lead to a test of the 200-day EMA at $0.401,429. When that longer-term resistance is cleared, the market may become noticeably more bullish, drawing more traders back in. SHIB currently has three primary movement vectors to keep an eye on. The late May highs around $0.401550-$0.401,600 are the next important targets if buyers are able to break through the 100 EMA and then the 200 EMA. Before making a final move, SHIB might keep bouncing between the 50 EMA and 100 EMA, accumulating pressure. Swing traders might be in the winning position here. The case of the bearish rejection will may out if the 100 EMA is not broken. The price may retest the rising trendline support at around $0.401,200. A collapse below this line runs the risk of reversing the recent upward trend and revealing the $0.401,150 region once more. XRP makes it through among the top cryptocurrencies this year. XRP has produced one of the strongest performances It has experienced a daily surge of 11%, making it one of the strongest single-day moves in 2025. The rally took place following a strong recovery from the $3.00 support zone, where buyers firmly intervened to stop the most recent correction. As the price broke out of months of consolidation between $2.40 and $2.80, XRP has been riding a strong uptrend for the past few weeks. A surge of buying pressure was released by the breakout, which swiftly moved XRP toward the $3.60 range before sellers took their profits. With stable trading volumes and ongoing interest on both the spot and derivatives markets, the recent rebound demonstrates that bullish sentiment is still strong. But now a distinct descending trendline resistance is visible on the chart, forming from the July peak. The next significant barrier for bulls is this trendline, which is currently intersecting just below $3.40. With $4.00 as the next psychological target, a daily close above it might rekindle momentum and pave the way for another run toward the $3.60 to $3.70 zone. If XRP does not break the trendline, the 20-day EMA, $3.02, which has served as dynamic support, will be the crucial level to keep an eye on. A decline below that might bring about a retest of the 50-day EMA, $2.74, and possibly reduce the pace of the rally. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.